All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to a daily update of my 1000 days challenge. This is day 152. However, right now when I'm doing the daily update, it's actually already the next day, so I will consider day 153 per se, but I'll still be covering in terms of what happened yesterday in that sense. All right, in terms of the traditional financial market, there isn't a major change. All of it remains in terms of the same market structure on the daily chart. Oh, and before I do that, current balance is a little bit lower. That's actually due to a loss taken on the experimental trade setup. And that wasn't a very well, in terms of the exit wise, wasn't done well enough. So it was actually stopped out prematurely. So there's an issue that I've taken note to return it down as well. All right, and yeah, so that basically registered the $50 loss in that sense. All right, in terms of the S&P 500 or the main traditional financial market for both US and China, all of which remains relatively similar to the day before, except for K, where actually right now, if we do look at today, it's actually a very strong rebound, and you can look in terms of percentage wise, it's quite strong. And in terms of price action wise, there's also a huge gap upwards. So things are looking really good, but of course, this is a resistance test of 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and potentially the 4th time. So things are looking good. And I guess the only key reason why there was a huge drop was mainly because of the announcement made by, I guess, the China Xi Jinping itself. So yeah, that definitely changes the game in that sense. But otherwise, yeah, things looks to be back to more towards the normal sense. And yeah, people think probably there was an overreaction in that sense. Yeah, in terms of Bitcoin wise, I'm still leaning towards bullish, and I've entered over here. Actually enter along. You can see over here on the 4-hourly chart. And yeah, so basically the reason why I enter, even though I'm a little bit conservative, so yeah, I'm actually enter a little bit higher around the 400 range. So if you're actually looking at this and the price is right now, I definitely consider to enter. And reason why is being previously this was the resistance, and right now even though it broke above and there's somewhat like a false breakout, to me you can see over here is there's somewhat like a horizontal resistance that we actually found support over here. So yeah, over the 4 hours in the green chart. So to me, this is a foundation, finding the support, especially price above 20 exponential moving average as well. So I'm entering based on the long with the upside target near 31K region and the downside at these 26K region as the stop loss. So yep, that's basically the setup that I've entered, and let's see how things goes based on that. Otherwise, that's basically the quick update I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.